Pregnant and nauseous? Or just had your baby and completely exhausted? Let's talk about the difference and the nutrient hacks that can help.
Morning sickness isn't just in your head. Hormones like human chorionic gonadotropin
Spike in early pregnancy and can trigger nausea. But here's what can help.
Vitamin B6 helps reduce nausea. Ginger is a natural anti-nausea support. Small, frequent meals keep blood sugar stable. Protein snacks prevent sudden drops. Stay hydrated with small sips all day. Dry crackers before bed? Old school, but it works. Now, postpartum fatigue? That's a whole different story. After delivery, your body is healing, producing breast milk, losing blood, sleeping less. No wonder you're tired. Nutrient hacks for postpartum energy. Iron, especially if you had blood loss. Protein for tissue repair and steady energy. Omega-3 fats for brain and mood support. Complex carbs, slow-lasting fuel. Magnesium supports relaxation and recovery.
Don't skip meals. Your body is still doing heavy work, even when you're sitting still.
Morning sickness plus sensitive stomach. The focus is to calm nausea, stabilize blood sugar. Postpartum site lacnea pollution. The focus is to rebuild, replenish, restore energy. Different stages, different struggles, different nutrient strategies. So, support your body where it is, not where it used to be.